Jessica, the S&P 500 hit a 15-month low. What's pulling U.S. stocks lower today?
We're seeing a lot of volatility in the U.S. stock market today. That's after we've seen reports that U.S. President Donald Trump will not be signing a spending bill that would eventually avert a government shutdown because funds that he wanted to lend to its security wall or border security in Mexico were not on them. So a lot of investor unease right now.
And then tech in particular seems to be having a bad day. What's happening with Twitter, GoPro and Snapchat? Twitter among the worst performers in the S&P today.
Tech is a really big sector to watch today. We're seeing a lot of tech stocks in the red. Twitter, big focus. It's on set to post its biggest decline since July, at one point down more than 13%. That's after Citron Research came out and cited a report mentioning the abuse of women on its platform, actually cutting its price target to $20, down from $52. Quite a significant cut there. Other tech laggards to take note of are Snap hitting a record low and GoPro declining to the lowest in 4 years.
And then in the commodity space, oil is falling. Brent dropped below $55 a barrel for the first time in over a year. What's causing the decline?
We are seeing oil steadily decline here despite OPEC's cuts after the Federal Reserve announced that it would raise interest rates that stoked some sort of demand concerns in the market. We also are seeing concerns on the supply side because of growing U.S. production that seems like it's just unstoppable. And in terms of OPEC, after it cut production, we've really seen oil prices on a steady decline lower, which is quite interesting, quite a surprise to OPEC possibly. But our sources are actually reporting that tomorrow, Friday, OPEC and its allies will release a report detailing, how they're going to manage the oil market and which countries will be cutting exactly how much production, and that should help provide some sort of transparency to investors.
All right, thank you so much for that. Appreciate it. That was Bloomberg's Jessica Summers in New York.